What's up, guys? This is Weekend Getaways with the Rivik Caravan, and this is the year end of 2021. And we have come to a very special place in Nasik, and it's a dual trek. As I'm speaking, I'm standing in the Asia's second largest valley. So let's look at the journey so far. We began our journey from Katraj in Pune at 4 am in the morning. From there, we headed towards Bani to pick up two of our friends. And now it is time to head directly to Ratanwadi village in Ahmednagar district. So after a long drive and having searched this resort for a long time, we have finally made it to this place by 9:30, and this place is really good. It has a good ambience around. It's 11:30 in the afternoon and काफ़ी धूप है and हम finally यहाँ पे जो parking है रतनवाड़ी, so वहाँ पे after a very torturous drive we've reached here and अभी सामने एक मंदिर है जहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं. This temple is over 1200 years old and was built by the rulers of Shilahara dynasty in 9th century. So after a brief visit to the temple, अब हम finally चालू कर रहे हैं हमारा trek. The initialists walked through the paddy fields in this village. So around 28 minutes into this trail and we have come across this spot wherein there's a huge water body. So 1 hour and 3 minutes into this trail and we have taken our first water break, and luckily we have the shade and we are completely under the canopy of trees. After having walked for around 1 hour and 40 minutes, we have reached the spot from where we are able to see the Nedhe as well as another pinnacle at the side. So this is the other pinnacle which I was talking about, and that is the top of Nedhe. So I have left my group far behind and they must be somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes far away from me. And I'm in the middle of jungle and I think the Nedhe should be somewhere about 20 to 25 minutes more from here. So this is the view around. And the troop is finally here after 10 minutes. So after having walked for around 2 hours, we have finally reached the spot from where we are able to get a distant view of the ladders and the gate from here. So that is the entrance. staircase which was being used previously, but since this has no railing and has become a bit risky, this new ladder has been put up. So after crossing the 2 ladders, we have come to the 3rd ladder. Yes. So after having walked for around 2 hours and 15 minutes, we have finally made it to the pinnacle of this place, and the view is just stunning all around. Just look at the beauty of these ranges.
Ratangad is a fort which is 400 years old and is named after Ratnabai Tandal, who has a small temple inside the cave on fort. She was one of the 3 sisters Ratnabai, Kalsubai and Katrabai. Other 2 peaks named Kalsubai and Katrabai are clearly visible from Ratangad.
We are simply walking around the periphery of this fort and we are trying to find the Nide so that we can rest for a while and have some fresh fruits. So after having walked for 3 hours, we have finally made it till the Nide of the Ratangad fort, and this is my 4th out of 6 Nides which are found in Maharashtra. I'm so exhausted and at the same time so happy about it. So, and this is Bhushan who's coming up next, and Priscilla after that. And we have Anjali and Happy over here. So that's Harpreet and Anjali at the distance. So after having enjoyed some really juicy fruits at the top near the Nide, we are heading back towards the parking now.